depth as I come up here. A lot of times you don't want to stop. You kind of want to keep the blade moving because if it's too thick, so what I'll find myself kind of creeping in just so I don't put a 2-inch mark. But at this point it doesn't really matter because there's a lot of material. Now, since I've set the depth, this goes establishes my center on this most of my material. And if I bring this the same on each side, I'm going to be centered. Now, the same thing, I also take my fingernail and I do this back heel here and go, yeah, but that side needs to come back further.
You're okay. I just did above you. Thank you.
So there's my hollow. Now, I can finish that out, but I like flat grinds, and besides, it gives me something else to do. I've got to move on to flat anyway. So, to stop, like I said, I can adjust this, and then I pull my tool